All right, y'all, let's dive into the world of electrical wire connectors and break down their differences. First up are waterproof blue wire connectors. These little guys are designed to create secure, moisture-resistant electrical connections, especially in outdoor or wet environments. You'll find them in things like landscape lighting, irrigation systems, and other low-voltage outdoor wiring. Anywhere you want to protect your wires from water and corrosion. Now let's talk about connectors that are square and let you just push your wire right in. These are called push-in wire connectors. They're a real time saver because you don't have to twist wires together. Just strip your wire and push it into the port. Inside, there's a spring mechanism that grips the wire tight, making sure you've got a solid connection. You'll see these used a lot in machines and refrigeration units. Here's why folks love push-in connectors. First, they're super easy to use. You just strip the wire and push it in. No twisting, no fuss. That push-in design means less hand fatigue, especially if you've got a lot of connections to make. And a lot of them have clear shells, so you can visually check that your wire's seated properly. Now, let's not forget about your regular wire connectors. You might know them as wire nuts or twist-on connectors. These are color-coded by size and the range of wire gauges they're meant for. That color coding makes it easy for electricians and DIYers alike to grab the right connector for the job, making sure everything's safe and connected right. Each wire cap color tells you what gauge wire it's made for. But always, and I mean always, check your package for manufacturer specs. I hope you find this info useful next time you're working on electrical wiring around the house or yard. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to hear from you and help with any questions you've got. Drop a comment below and have a great day.